Okay, so we're entering that difficult period in the year when the market tends to get a little bit volatile, i.e. October. Okay, so we're coming into October here. We're coming in real hot on valuations. Equity valuations are at extremely high levels. The bond market valuations are high. So the markets, some could argue, are overextended at this point in time. But equity valuation extremes alone generally do not cause severe sell-offs. Generally, it's a change in sentiment that is driven by a change in expectations. Okay, and right now, I would say the biggest factor that's driving the current expectations and therefore pushing valuations is the expectation of rate cuts. Okay, that combined with the focus on the weakening employment sector, which is an argument for rate cuts and for continued rate cuts. Now, if this sentiment, if this belief changes either by something that the Fed says, or let's say inflation comes in super hot, and the Fed starts to reevaluate the pace of rate cuts, or even if there will be a rate cut, that will cause a severe problem in the market and there will be a severe sell-off. Now, the way to see that this is happening is not only stocks going down, but to see the VIX going up, which is a measurement of investor fear. Okay, and this is something that I always watch. When the VIX starts to go up, it generally signals volatility, and once it goes above 20, it generally starts to signal a severe sell-off. Now, my personal belief is that even if there is a sell-off in October timeframe, it's not going to be the end of a bull market. I still think that the economy is still fairly strong, and I think that the bull market will continue. But I will be monitoring this, and I will let you know when I think the VIX gets to the point where I think we have a buy signal on it. And we're going to stick with our favorite stocks, which are basically the Mag 7, Lovin Technology, Lovin Energy, that's going to fuel the AI, and I'm loving finance. Okay, so those three areas are the favorite ones, and we'll keep you informed as things progress.